got a story we've been on for a while for you, and tonight Fox 4 is confirming more than 24 defendants have had the charges dropped against them in connection with a former confidential informant with the Fort Myers Police Department. Thanks for sticking with us at 6:30. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal, and this all stems from the federal rights, the civil lawsuit surrounding the FMPD, the city of Fort Myers, and an assistant state attorney. For Your Corner's Alyssa Dickert tells us why this piece of information is important to the community.
I spoke with a criminal defense attorney to find out if having more than 20 cases dropped is a common practice for situations like this, and if it poses any threat to public safety.
It makes our community less safe than it otherwise could be.
That's how criminal defense attorney Peter Dennis is reacting to 24 defendants having their criminal charges dropped after a compromised confidential informant within FMPD worked their cases.
In my years of practicing law here in the community, I've never seen anything like this, certainly not to this magnitude.
The confidential informant, or CI, Vicky Neese, is listed as a witness in many of the cases. We told you last month how 2 former suspects in undercover operations involving Neese are now suing the city of Fort Myers, FMPD, and an assistant state attorney, stating civil rights violations. The suit claims that Neese performed a sex act during an operation, but FMPD kept using her as a CI in other stings.
Everything is very intertwined in the criminal justice system, so one bad actor can lead to a lot of consequences down the road.
Fox 4 examined the cases dropped, which stem all the way back to 2016. Most of the cases involve drug trafficking and possession, but one case centered around a sex offender. His drug charges were dropped and was allowed to walk free.
You know, an accountability issue, and realizing that those people must be held accountable for the consequences that we all will feel as a community.
We reached out to both the Fort Myers Police Department and the state attorney's office for comment. We did get a comment back from the state attorney's office, who could not say anything because it is an active investigation. In Fort Myers, Alyssa Dickert, Fox 4 in your corner.